Have you ever heard of YouTubers telling you something like this? Hey, sign up through my links below and deposit $10,000 to be entitled to $100 worth of free stock vouchers. And you're like, that sounds like a great idea. Maybe I should just sign up and deposit $10,000 to get free stock vouchers. Why not? It's free. And you very quickly realize, wait a minute, how do you actually redeem or get the stock vouchers or stocks that you're entitled to? So in this video, I'm going to talk about how you can really cash out on these free stock vouchers that you're given and you're entitled to, and what are some of the traps if you want to avoid losing the stock vouchers. So welcome back to my channel. My name is Gerald and I'm all about simple investing and personal finance tips and tricks. So if that sounds good to you, you know what to do. Give that button a little tap on the back, just like how you would support a friend. So how I came to realize this pitfall happened when I started to use Tiger Brokers myself. So I think about 2 months back, I started to use Tiger Brokers. I deposited like $10,000 to buy a stock, and I very quickly realized, wait a minute, I'm supposed to get like $70 stock voucher. So when I placed the buy order, I could not find a place where I could redeem the stock vouchers. I was like, what? It turns out it's actually quite hard to find the stock vouchers. So it took me a while to find out. And I very quickly realized the stock vouchers has like an expiry date. So about, I think a couple of weeks later when I met up with my brother, I told him, hey, did you know Tiger Brokers stock vouchers would expire, so you need to quickly use it? And it turns out his $70 stock vouchers expired, and he was like, oh, $70 fly away. And in fact, just last week, I was speaking to Josh Tan because I was doing a video collab with him. So stay tuned if you want to watch that video collab. He also has a $30 stock vouchers that expired. Then I quickly realized if people around me were having their stock vouchers, taken away from them because they expired, then wouldn't you face the same problem? So that's why I made this video just for you. So while I understand the brokers want to entice more people to sign up by giving them free stock vouchers or free stocks directly itself, it kind of makes me feel cheated in a way when they take it back through hiding, process or not teaching me how I can effectively redeem the stock voucher. Yeah, I get that they want to save money, but man, that was tricky. So first thing, let's talk about how you can get these stock vouchers. So in order for you to get this stock vouchers or free stocks, you need to open, usually through an affiliate link. So search for your favorite personal finance YouTuber and use their affiliate links, and usually there's a criteria. So most of the time, at least for Tiger Brokers, the criteria is to deposit 10 or more. Basically, the more money you deposit, the more stock vouchers you get. So don't worry, if you deposit, you can always take the money out. There is no charge to deposit money in or take them out, so you can just deposit safely. The second place you can get free vouchers, in my experience, is to check on their email. So occasionally they would email some sort of promotion. So New Year, they emailed me free commission trade. So check your emails, open up the link, and bam, you get free stock vouchers deposited in your account. Then the next question becomes, wait, it's in my account now, how do I actually find this stock vouchers, right? So here's how you can find your stock vouchers. So in order for you to find, you need to look for this little tiny gift icon. So go to the top right hand corner, click on the icon, and you will see a whole list of stock vouchers in your account. So it's not intuitive. I think for Tiger Brokers, if you want to use the commission-free trade, you got to redeem it before you can buy your stock. For the stock vouchers, there is no redeem button, and you're like, wait, how does it work? I'll talk about it in just a second. If you're using a mobile phone, you need to go to the Me tab and look under Promotion and Rewards, and voila! And if you manage to find a valid stock coupon in your account, you know what to do. Give me a thumbs up. So the important thing to note about stock voucher and stock coupons is that you need to read the terms very carefully. What do I mean by that? Basically, they have a valid start date and a valid end date. So let's say some vouchers that I have, I can't actually use them today. I need to wait like a month before I can use them. And there are also some vouchers that I have to use them by the end of this month, otherwise they will expire. And if you have expired coupons, well, and in order for you to find your expired coupon, you have to scroll all the way to the bottom, and there's a link below that says View Expired or Used Coupons or Past Coupons. Just click on it, and then you will see all the coupons that have been used or have expired. As you can see, even my stock voucher expired. $30. So if you happen to have an expired stock voucher, well, what you can do is to leave a comment down below. Because what happened was that my brother, when he heard that he had an expired coupon, he immediately called Tiger Brokers to complain about the expired stock voucher. They did not give him back his stock voucher. So if we can get enough people, angry people commenting down below, and this video gets viral enough, Hopefully, I can work something out with Tiger Bookers to give everyone back their free stock vouchers. That would be nice, right? So now on to the most important part, which is how do you actually redeem your free stock vouchers? So $70, $100, in some cases, you have a lot of free stock vouchers. How do you redeem them when there's no redeem button? So I actually had to call them and check with them step by step exactly how this redemption works, and here is how it's done. So basically, what you have to do is buy a stock within the stock voucher validity period, and it will be credited back into your account a couple days later. Meaning to say, let's say if you were to buy a stock, you would not see any redemption button or any stock voucher shoutouts or anything like that. You just have to buy the stock, and in about 3 to 5 working days, it will be deposited. The cash will be deposited back into your own account. So what happened was that I tested this. I bought, I think, 3 different transactions, and in order for you to check, what you have to do is click on your report section. So go to your assets, click on reports, generate the report, scroll all the way down, and you can see, that's where your voucher has been credited back to you. So I know it sounds a little bit messy at first, but once you get the hang of it, it really becomes very smooth and easy. You kind of check all your account balances. So with that said, I hope this video was helpful for you. Be sure to share with your other friends if they just sign up for their Tiger Bookers account, because you do not want them complaining and crying to you that they've lost $70, $30, or $100 worth of free stock vouchers. With that said, if you want to invest in US stocks like buying Tesla stock, right, Tiger Bookers is not the cheapest place in which you can invest. In fact, I made a video on the cheapest stockbroker for US stocks over here, so do check it out. Or you can check out what YouTube recommends you over here, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care, everyone.